Hi, this is Jackie Bear. I feel so good seeing everybody at this moment at JLCPCB. I was born to deliver more amazing things to JLCPCB customers. With people's support for 15 years, JLCPCB has become a global leading company with PCB, PCBA, and 3D printing services. Let me be your friend. Let me be your electronic engineer life partner. $2 for 5 PCB? Oh, JLCPCB. PCB from $0? Oh, JLCPCB. Cool guy? Oh, Jackie Bear. I will share more amazing things with you, my old JLCPCB friends. Just try JLCPCB fast, quality, cheap service. Every new friend. Bala Bala Jackie Bear. Bala Bala Jackie Bear. Bala Bala Jackie Bear.